What's up, you guys? Eddie at Fliptroniks. I'm going to be showing you how to make $200 per day online in 2019 straight from your phone. All right, so you are going to need some skill to do this. I'm not going to lie, it's not going to be easy at all, but I'm going to show you basically 5 apps where you can really make this happen, then 2 extra apps you can check out to make a little bit of extra money as well. So I'll have links in the description if you want to check any of these out. Feel free to message me below too if you have any questions or comments. I'll get back to you. All right, so the first one we're going to be getting into here is going to be, betting with Bovada. Now, Bovada is the #1 betting site in the US. I play the poker on here and I do the sport betting, but they've got some other stuff you can do as well. Right now my account's got about 1,700 in it, but just on the last week of playing some poker on here and stuff, I think I was somewhere around like $4,000 in profit. Now I'm playing some pretty high stake games on here when I'm playing, but you can do this all from your phone. So if you have a knack for poker, they've got limits as high as 10-20 no limit on here, which is like a $2,000 sit down. They've got 1.5 million in weekly tournament prizes on here, and the software for playing on your phone is top notch. I mean, I think it's some of the best out right now. I haven't really seen anything that compared to it, but if you're not going to play on Bovada right now, Ignition would be my other recommendation. But anyways, a lot of potential here, so I mean, check out Bovada if you're into poker or betting. Now, the next app I'm going to be getting into is going to be stock trading on Robinhood. Robinhood has been my go-to basically for like the last 3 years. So basically, if you've never done stock trading before, or you've done it before but you've never really gotten into it, it's a great way to make money, relatively pretty easy through your phone. I mean, you need some upfront money to do this, but over the last 12 months, I've mentioned, I think I'm over 6,000 in profit, and I've hardly put any money into this. It's usually been, 1,500 to like 2,500 or 2,000 at a time. Basically what I do is I buy a stock for a little bit because I think it's going to go up based on an earnings or a swing, and then I sell it. It's worked out really well for me. You can see my 1 month just on a couple thousand here. I'm up, $400, almost $500, and I am going to sell what I own, but I just haven't done it. And I just don't think it gets any better than Robinhood right now. I mean, Robinhood is awesome. Check them out. You can start with as little as $5, and like I said, it's going to take some skill to get good at these methods, but if you can get good, you can make some serious money. So the next 2 apps here we have are going to be Coinbase and Binance. So this is going to be in the crypto trading world, and I just got back into the crypto game. I took a little bit of a break recently, but Coinbase is the wallet I've been using since I started trading crypto over the last couple of years. And right now in the last 12 months, I've done somewhere around, like, I think back up to like 5,000 or 6,000 even in profit. And like I said, collectively, when you're using all these methods I'm showing you, you can definitely make some good money. So I'll show you some of my withdrawals as of late. You've got 1,200, 2,100, 2,900, 1,700. These are just some of my, sales, and I've done really good with it. I mean, it's, like I said, going to take some skill to get good at crypto trading. It's kind of between stock trading and, I mean, it's almost like betting too. I mean, you got to have some skill, but Coinbase, use them as a wallet. If you want to get started with crypto, I would definitely recommend you hop on there. Now, where I've done all of my crypto trading up till now has been on Binance. Binance is the #1 exchange in the world. They've got over 100 different coins you can trade on here, and this is basically where you want to be if you're going to get into like crypto trading, through your phone. It's pretty analytical on here. You can pull up 24-hour price changes. They've got over 100 different coins you can look at. You can pull up the last price. You can check out volume. I would say Binance is basically like the stock market trading app, of crypto. I mean, that's really what I would call it. You can fund your account through Coinbase, so you could send some money from Coinbase into Binance. You can start doing trading on here. Now, you can trade on a daily basis. You can hold for a week, a month, a year. It really doesn't matter. The whole point here is to really just get started with these methods I'm showing you, because the longer you wait, the more money you're going to leave on the table. And honestly, like I said, it's not like I started making a ton of money, right away. It probably took me like, over 2 to 3 years to really get good at these methods, and I make way more than $200 a day, and I do most of this stuff through my phone. Now the next one we're going to be checking out here is going to be affiliate marketing, where you're promoting things online, you know, via a blog, YouTube channel, things like that, even an Instagram account now. And I'm recommending one dude in particular because he's basically the man. His name's John Crestani. I've checked out some of his stuff. He's got some free content you can check out, but he has proven ways of making money with affiliate marketing. You know, he's made millions of dollars online, and I gotta say, it's just way easier to learn from somebody who's already done something as opposed to trying to figure out everything by yourself. I wish somebody told me this when I started, you know, doing some of this stuff, because, you know, having to learn by yourself, you know, it can take a year, it can take 2 years. It could take even longer to get good when, you know, someone might just have a simple, you know, solution to what you're trying to do. So check out John Crestani. You can make a lot of money with affiliate marketing as well. Now, these last two apps I'm going to show you, you know, they're not going to get you to the $200 a day mark by any means, but I like putting them on here because they can make you a little bit of money and they're fun to use. The Acorns app we're going to be checking out here. Now, right now, this is my favorite robo-advising app where you put money into it. It makes 2 to 5% on your money. So basically, you're going to make more money than a savings account at your bank when you're putting money into Acorns. They have different ways you can put money into. You can set up recurring and roundups where you take change to the nearest dollar on purchases and it puts it into your Acorns account. Now, like I said, you can make 2 to 5% on your money on here. They put your money into low risk mutual funds, ETFs. You can actually switch up your portfolio to make it more aggressive or less aggressive based on what you want to do. But I think Acorns is awesome. It does cost $1 a month to use them, but I think that, you know, if you want to start, you know, making some passive money through your phone, why not check out Acorns? You know what I'm saying? So check them out. All right, so the last app I'm going to be getting into here is going to be my Inbox Dollars. So Inbox Dollars, you know what I'm saying? Like, people think that it's either good or bad. I think it's the best points to cash app out there. You can make probably, if you really put in a lot of work and you promote it, you can make $200 a month, maybe even more. But I mean, you got to really put the effort into it. Right now, my account's got about $75 in it. I've cashed out quite a few times on here. You can play games, take surveys, watch videos, use the built-in search engine. There's shopping links on here. So there are a bunch of different ways that you can earn with Inbox Dollars, and it's fun to use. So I mean, instead of, you know, maybe playing a game that you've already downloaded, open Inbox Dollars, start playing it, earn some points, and then you can cash out. All right, so just to recap for everybody here, now, if you're trying to make $200 a day online in 2019 with your phone, it's absolutely possible with what I've showed you here. Now, the last two, like I said, they're just add-ons, but the 5 before that, you know, you've got Bovada. You know, like I said, I've done quite a bit just as of late. I've made a lot of money on there. Robinhood, you know, I do the stock trading on there. I've had a good 12 months. Coinbase and Binance, another good 12 months. Made a lot with affiliate marketing. So I mean, you got to put all of these together to really get the ball rolling. Once you get up to 100 a day, you can scale up to 200. You just got to put more effort in and, you know, get good at what you're doing. So I'll have links in the description if you want to check any of these out. Please hit the like and share. If you have any questions or comments, hit me up below, and we'll see you guys later.